Welcome back. The big moment has arrived because our main sponsor for 2026 suspension store has sent us this incredible package. It's quite a big package and I'm gonna tell you in the next minutes what I'm talking about. I've just mentioned in my previous videos that we have a new sponsor for 2026. This sponsor is called Suspension Store. We have a link in the description with their website. You also have some benefits from Suspension Store, which I am gonna detail in the next minutes. You have also a link in the description. Let's proceed with the unboxing. What we got here, it's a package from Suspension Store. Some interesting parts from Suspension Store, which we are about to mount on a new Honda Transalp 750. So what you see here, you're gonna see in the next minutes, we're gonna mount and we're gonna test on the new Honda Transalp 750. All you see here, we're gonna see what we actually got in the boxes. I'm looking forward to see myself. You can already see on the package that we're speaking about YSS suspension. We don't have only one suspension, we have a couple of suspensions that we're gonna mount on the new Honda Transalp 750. We're gonna test everything. Perhaps you have seen on my channel a lot of videos regarding some of the accessories which we've tested on the channel. I really like and I strongly believe on long-term testing. We're not just speaking about just mounting the accessories, give it a shot and that's it. We're gonna test everything long-term, and at the end of the season, at the end of 2026, we're gonna give you a proper feedback, and meanwhile we're testing, you will also receive feedback from the testing, from the test rides from myself, and not only from myself, but other people, other owners will test the products as well. It will not only be my feedback, but you will have a combined feedback from multiple persons, and it's gonna be a long-term one. All right, it's time to open the boxes. I'm really curious to see what we have in the box. Actually, we have, but I'm not gonna speak before we open the boxes. Let's open first the boxes and we're gonna speak afterwards. The boxes are quite heavy. I was thinking to come with my bike and have my bike as a background for this unboxing, but I came with my van and I think I did a good choice in order to safely bring here all the accessories from Suspension Store, YSS products. We're gonna make an unboxing and tell you more what I'm talking about. Unboxing is among my favorite moments in a video. Making the unboxing. This is a knife which I've received as a present. Let's use it. I'm gonna start with a small box. Oh, what we have here, YSS, wow, top line, okay, okay, top line gas shock absorber, nice. So actually we have a box in a box. This is the first box which we've opened. This is one of the rear suspensions. We have two rear suspensions which we've got. This is, I think, the first one. Let's open it. Open here. Okay, some instructions, an invoice, warranty card. Okay. Oh, this is one of the rear shocks. Wow, the look is impressive, actually. It looks quite impressive. Very, very well made, quite quality made. Nice. Of course, it's fully adjustable. So this is the MZ456 345H1R 313. This is the code. I'm gonna put everything, all the codes, you're gonna find them in the video description. Hard and soft. Can adjust it here from imbus outside. Easy access for the adjustment. We're gonna make a separate video regarding the adjustments. In this video, we're gonna focus about the unboxing, about what's in the box, and about the products. There will be plenty of videos regarding how to adjust properly a suspension, not only YSS suspension, but any suspension. Stay tuned because there are plenty more to come, which will be, I think, very helpful for you. All right, this is the first rear suspension, the one with the hydraulic preload adjustment. It looks quite premium. We will see how it will behave because, as you know, on my bike, I have a premium suspension as well from All in San Andreani. We're gonna compare everything. I'm gonna try to be as transparent as possible with you. And yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. So this is the first product, the first rear suspension. MZ456 345 H1R. Time for the big one. Let's see what we have here in the big one. A lot of bugs here in the middle of spring. Quite a lot of bugs, insects. Oh, nice. All right. Oh, we have some merchandise as well. So it's time to change, guys. It's time to change my t-shirt and my hat. All right, so now it's much better. YSS t-shirt, hat, what we have here. Another t-shirt, black. It's a polo t-shirt. Some pants with the YSS, nice. Stickers, high quality stickers. Let's see what's next. These are the fork springs, high performance fork springs, top quality chrome silicium wire, improved performance and handling, better surface finishing, the best choice. It's ABE approved. The springs are greased, they are sealed. So we're gonna put them on the bike next week when we're gonna make the actual installation. What's next? High performance cartridge kit. Oh, this is the high performance cartridge kit. Improved performance and handling, better range of adjustment. This is it. Let's take a look inside for a bit. Another sticker. Here is the cartridge kit. We're not gonna open it yet. We're gonna use it on the installation, of course, and gonna keep it as it is. We have a special tool as well. We have a preload, rebound, compression, full adjustment. This is a very important accessory for the suspension. This is the cartridge kit together with one of the shock absorbers. The other one we're gonna give it a shot after we test the first one. So and here, let's see. Oh, this is quite heavy. Of course, we have the oil, the Putoline special racing suspension fluid 5W. So this is the Putoline oil which we're gonna use on the fork. 1 liter, 2 liters, which we're gonna use for the forks, 5W. And here is most likely the top of the rear suspension, the top line of the rear suspension. Let's check it out. What we have here, the G-Racing MG456 345 H1RW 25858 for the Honda Transalp 750. Starting with the 2023 model version, it fits all. That's very important. Let's see. Hydraulic preload adjuster as well, stickers. All right, that's a different category, next level. All right, so this is the second rear suspension which we're gonna use on the Honda Transalp 750. Next week we will mount everything on the bike. First, this suspension, what I have in my hand, will be the first one which we're gonna install on the bike. You can see here we have a double adjustment for the compression, low and high, adjustment for the rebound and compression, and hydraulic adjustment of the preload. This is a top of the line suspension from YSS for the Honda Transalp 750. We will test it for you long term. What do you think? I think it's plenty of merchandise, plenty of products to test, and plenty of options for you. In the last 3 years, I tried to somehow build my motorcycle, build my Honda Transalp 750, and it was a privilege to discover brands, to discover the accessories, to know and somehow to split what it's top quality to what it's not quality. And I believe that together with my friend Alami, we've tested the products via our project, Alami and Arthur project. We've tested a lot of products, a lot of merchandise which we receive from the brands, and it's a privilege and it's somehow an experience which we've gained, and we can somehow make the difference now between top quality products and products which are not actually deserving to be presented on the channel. Suspension Store is a top quality and a high quality sponsor. I spoke with Dennis, the owner of the Suspension Store. Hopefully we can make a live session or a recorded session, an interview with Dennis, the owner of Suspension Store Europe. If you are from the US, Suspension Store has a separate website, Suspension Store US. You will find it in the video description. And what is important, Suspension Store for the US, it's supporting the taxes, the extra taxes which you have for the US Suspension Store. It's supporting the taxes. And therefore, I think this brand has all the attention towards the customer and towards the importance of a proper professional customer service. We have the suspensions here provided. We're gonna mount it next week. Top of the line suspension from YSS. No matter if you are a racer or you want to squeeze as much as possible from the Honda Transalp 750, we have the racing suspension, the rear racing suspension for you. If you are a standard rider, if you don't want to make a lot of off-roads or just very light off-road and you want to enjoy the performance and you would like to have a very comfortable ride, we have the standard suspension for you as well. It's very important to have these options for you. In order to choose, you have a 20% discount with the code IDEALBIKE. You can use the code IDEALBIKE on Suspension Store website and you get 20% discount. For the US website, you don't get the 20% discount, but you get the taxes. You don't pay the taxes. Suspension Store is supporting the taxes for the US customers. Suspension Store, thank you very much. We will proceed with the installation next week. Before we close this unboxing, just let me tell you that in the last 2 years, I had the chance and I was privileged to test a lot of new motorcycles from BMW, from Honda, from Yamaha, from Suzuki, and honestly, on all these motorcycles, the standard suspension, if you want to push more, if you want more from the bike, if you want, let's say, more comfort, you don't have enough delivered from the standard suspension. For the Transalp, for the latest models, they made the suspension fully adjustable. It was not adjustable at the beginning, only for preload, but now it's adjustable. The standard suspension, they work on compression, they worked on the rebound, but honestly, no standard suspension, or there is no such a standard suspension that will compete with such suspension from YSS or from other brand. It's the standard bike will never have unless you pay an extra money, or it's will be quite expensive to have a bike from the factory with a suspension that can compete with the suspension, for example, from YSS or from what I have on my bike. The standard suspensions, they have some limits. Here, there can be no limit. Let's have patience, let's wait for the long-term review. I'm looking forward for the next ones. Bye-bye.
Light brown.